What if AI could find high-intent leads for you in real time, directly from social media, without manual searching? Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered lead discovery system that scans social platforms, qualifies buying intent, and sends ready-to-action leads straight into Slack and Notion. Our journey begins with the chat trigger, initiating the workflow through a simple chat input, instantly passing user queries like find marketers interested in AI tools on Instagram. Step 2. Maintain short-term conversation context. Memory buffer. This node stores the last few conversation turns. It allows follow-up queries to stay contextual and improves lead relevance. Step 3. Discover buying intent leads from social platforms AI agent. This is the core lead discovery engine. It searches Twitter and Instagram for posts where users ask for tools, recommendations, or help. Only real buying intent posts are extracted. Step 4. External Social Search and Enrichment Tool MCP Client Tool. This node fetches real social data from external platforms. It enriches posts with usernames, content, and context for AI analysis. Step 5. LLM Reasoning Engine for Lead Qualification GPT-4o Mini. This node classifies each post's buying intent as low, medium, or high. It filters spam, promotions, and irrelevant content automatically. Step 6. Generate CRM-ready lead discovery response, chat response node. This node converts discovered leads into a clean user-facing response. It prepares structured output ready for downstream automation. Step 7. Generate Slack and Notion lead insight summary. AI agent. This node transforms raw leads into two outputs, a human-readable Slack summary and a structured Notion-ready record. Output is returned as strict JSON. Step 8. LLM Reasoning Engine for Insight Structuring, GPT-4o Mini. This node helps refine and structure insights. It ensures summaries are clear, concise, and CRM-friendly. Step 9. Enforce Structured Lead Insight Output Schema, Output Parser. This node validates the AI response against a fixed JSON schema. It ensures data consistency before distribution. Step 10. Send Lead Discovery Summary to Slack node. This node sends the lead discovery summary to a Slack channel. It highlights what was searched, leads found, and recommended actions. Step 11. Store lead discovery insight in Notion CRM Notion node. This node saves structured lead insights into a Notion database. It creates a persistent CRM record for future follow-ups. Step 12. Workflow Error Handler Error Trigger. This node activates if anything breaks in the workflow. It captures error context for alerting and debugging. Step 13. Send Workflow Error Alert Gmail node. This node sends an email alert when an error occurs. It includes the failing node, error message, and timestamp. If you want AI to work as your 24/7 lead researcher, hit like, subscribe for more advanced AI automations, and I'll see you in the next video.